you get this error, it says could not connect to Bethesda.net servers, and this occurs in the Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim, then listen to the tutorial very carefully and I'll guide you on how to resolve this issue. And the error can look like this, which say could not connect to Bethesda.net servers. Now I have the fixes for all the platforms including PS5, Xbox, PS4 and PC. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now this is a common issue that occurs across different platforms, and unfortunately the solution isn't always straightforward. What works for one user may not necessarily fix the problem for another, so you can try this. The issue is often caused by problems with account linking between Bethesda.net and your PlayStation Network or Xbox Microsoft account. Now here's something you can try. Go to Bethesda.net on your browser and navigate to the account section and make sure Bethesda account is properly linked to your PlayStation Network ID or Xbox Microsoft account. If you don't have Bethesda account, you'll need to create one first. So if you've done so but are still facing again the same issue, also try this. In the Creation Club menu, hit Options on your controller and choose Download All Only Creation Club Creations. Then from the same menu, enable them interacting with them individually crashly every time. So this works. Just simply go to the Creation Club in Skyrim, open the Load Order menu, then open the Load Order options, push Download All Only Creations Club Creations, push yes and wait, and this should fix your problem. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. I have seen a lot of people were able to resolve this issue by just following these instructions here. So let me repeat. Go to the Creations Club in Skyrim, open the Load Order menu, open the Load Order options and push Download All Only Creations Club Creations, push yes and wait. This should fix your problem. Now if you're on PC users try this. Delete all ini files, which is called ini files from C users. Then here's your username, documents folder. Open the documents folder, you'll see my games. You'll see the Skyrim special editions. So delete all ini files from this location here on your Skyrim special editions, which is basically located on this directory here. Then go to Steam app and then open the Skyrim, which will be found on your library. Then right click on it and then go to properties and then go to installed files and make sure to verify integrity of your game files for Skyrim. Then run the game using the launcher. A pop-up dialog should appear, download Creations Club content, and this should fix your problem. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, and let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you, and see you next time.